Welcome to Knotty Devil Creations. Today we're turning a red hybrid blank on a navigator style pin. I just want to say thank you for coming back into my shop today. And if this is your first time here, thank you very much for checking out my channel. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you guys get notified when I put out new videos. So I need some help from you guys. I'm trying to find a new everyday carry pin. The last two videos that I posted were pins that I was going to make my everyday carry, but I just found them way too beautiful to carry at my normal job. So if I can get you guys to leave a comment down below, whatever type of pin that you think that you would like to see, or you think that I should be carrying, like a Cuban, Manhattan, Gatsby, even like this navigator style pin, just leave me something down below and get a conversation started and see where it leads to. I just want to say thank you one more time for watching my video, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does mean a lot to me. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. See you next time.